36th District Court is back now in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no reading, walking, talking, driving, smoking, or eating. You must stay inside the camera and you must remain seated. When your name is called, unmute your device if muted and give your full and undivided attention to the court. Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning, Mr. Petway. Everyone, when I call your name, please let the attorney say their name first, and then you may proceed. We're gonna start with Ms. Davis, Tiffany Davis. This is the People versus Tiffany Davis, ticket number 1842376, count 1, driver's license never acquired, ticket number SP 1037104. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, driving registered or entitled vehicle. Count 3, drove on license not valid or proper license. Good morning, please say your name to the record. Who is on Tiffany Davis? Is this not yours, Mr. Sorrell? Is it Mr. Carver?
Yes, it's the other attorney, yeah.
All right, well, what do we call it then? Is she?
I can handle it. Okay, I can handle it. It's no problem. I know what the offer is. I'm fine.
Okay, all right.
Yes. Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, ma'am?
Tiffany Davis.
Yes. Ms. Davis, you wish to accept the offer of prosecution to plead to 1 failure to display and dismiss the remaining 3 tickets?
Yes.
Raise your right hand and say this. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to your attorney in private about your case and your rights. Have you had an opportunity to speak to your attorney in private about your case and your rights?
Yes. Yes, Your Honor.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes, Your Honor.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes, Your Honor.
You're saying that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of October 29th, 2019 at 3:50 p.m. on that date and time were you at or near Gratiot and McClellan in the city of Detroit?
Yes, Your Honor.
Were you driving a 2010 Chevrolet vehicle?
Yes, Your Honor.
And was your driver's license not valid or improper?
Not valid. I never had a driver's license.
Satisfied, Mr. Soroki?
Yes, Your Honor.
Also satisfied, fact spaces will amend count 3 to fail to display. We stipulate the proper cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed without prejudice.
Yes, Your Honor.
They're dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. There's going to be a $200 fine. Ms. Davis, can you have that fine paid by? Can you have it paid by May 15th?
Can I please have some more time on May 15th?
June 15th?
Yes, that's perfect.
Any questions, ma'am?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so you're all set. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Have a blessed day.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Good morning, Judge.
Oh, good morning, Ms. Warren. How are you?
Very well. How are you, Judge?
I'm well.
Yep. I did check in already.
You did. I do know that
Good morning, Prosecutor Horn. I'm Brandon Ramey.
Hold on. I think the judge was saying something.
I think that's what she's addressing.
it is. It is.
I wouldn't have interrupted her if I didn't think so.
No,
Right.
I didn't
Yes.
get what you were saying because I was intently listening to her.
Right, no
What did you
problem.
say?
Brandon Ramey, he's
Oh,
coming
yeah.
back. He took his class. He showed me a certificate for driver's improvement. he has a reckless driving ticket, and also driving license suspended ticket, which he says was last time it was in court was dismissed. So we are waiting for you. If you like, you can go talk to him in the breakout room number 6.
I
And
did get his driver improvement, so he did email it to me. So I do have that Ramey, Ramey. Let's see, Ramey. He did send that over.
yes,
Oh, let's see, Ramey, and I did respond to him. Let's see. I'm looking at the docket. Do you see it, Mr. Soroki, on the docket?
yeah, it's on the 835. It's the first page. Yes, first page, middle of the page.
Oh, right there, bullseye, right there in front of me. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll take Mr. Sloan, can you run his Secretary of State record, or is it already in the file? Because I may have run it last time.
For Brandon Ramey?
Yes, sir. Okay, so I'll put SOS down for that. I'll check that. Okay, Mr. Soroki.
That's fine.
Okay.
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome, sir. Anything else for you, Mr. Soroki?
No, I think that covers everything. On the trial we have today for Jasmine Day with Officer Joshua Kronk. She has her registration and insurance.
Day. Okay. Here we go.
Yes.
All right. So registration and insurance. Okay. All
I
right.
have a trial with an officer here as well,
Okay, I'll be right with you, Ms. Carver.
Yeah. I think.
Let's see. Okay. Do you have any expiration dates on those, Mr. Soroki, at all?
No, I know they're good. I always read their expiration dates to make
Okay.
sure.
All right. Okay, so I'll go with your assertions as an officer of the court. And Ms. Carver, who else do you have?
Mario Delahue, Officer Brown is here on that.
Okay, let me see. Let me run in and speak with Officer Brown, okay?
Hey,
Ms. Horn.
Yes, sure.
Kendall Saylor is in room number 1. It's for Raeigen Daniel.
Okay.
Officer did check in for those.
Okay, got it.
We have Mr. Hamud. Good morning, sir. Who are you here for?
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm here in Debaja. I don't know if the officers checked in, but I need to speak to the assistant prosecutor.
Judge, the attorney came in for his client and she said she was not the officer who wrote that ticket. And I did tell her to stay in case Ms. Horn wanted to talk to her. But
The officer is here for the project.
yeah, she's here, but she says she's not the officer who wrote that ticket.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay. So Counsel Hamud, good morning.
Morning.
I'll go in and speak with the officers first. And thank you for the update, Your Honor, on room 1. I'll go in there with, because defendant Arwa Daniel, is that a trial too? Yes.
the trial, yeah.
Okay. All right, I'll go talk.
Pre-called, he's not in the room.
Okay. All right. So no officer on that one, Your Honor?
He called and he called the courtroom. So I think
Okay.
he saw,
Yeah.
but he left his number.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Hamud, you want to go into room number 1?
It looks like she's going to speak to the officer first, but yes, I'm ready.
Okay,
She can meet you on one.
okay.
Okay. All right, are we ready on Garvin Davis?
Yes, Your Honor, he wants to set that for a trial.
It's People versus Garvin Davis, ticket number SP 1392791. Count 1, driving registered or untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, open alcohol in the motor vehicle. Driver, good morning, please say your name for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jane Carver on behalf of Mr. Davis. Mr. Davis, can you just state your name, please?
Garvin Davis.
This is a time and date for a show cause, and Mr. Davis would like to set these matters for bench trial date.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Davis. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
I do.
You put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Yes, I do.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No, they haven't.
The court is going to continue your not guilty plea, set this matter for a bench trial for April 25th at 9 o'clock.
Will this be Zoom?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So you're all set, sir. Good luck, unless you have a question.
April 25th, okay. And at what time?
9 o'clock.
9 o'clock, okay, thank you.
Well, this is the people versus Akira Raymond. Ticket number SP 735858, count 1, failed to display valid operator's license on a person. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, ma'am?
Kyra Raymond.
Yes, your Honor, defendant waives a formal reading, stands mute at this time.
All right, Mr. Proceed.
Defendant, your Honor, defendant has shown me valid documentation, a valid operator's license, which was confirmed, I believe, by the court clerk. We move to dismiss this matter.
Do you stipulate the probable cause?
Yes, your Honor.
All right, this matter is dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, Ms. Raymond. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. This is the people versus Jasmine Day, ticket number SP 375094, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. And count 2 is expired plates. I don't know if count 3 is a part of this. I don't see it on the docket, but let me look this on the safe side.
It didn't say that count 3 was a part of it, but I did take a class to remove that ticket, but it didn't say that it was on this docket. I don't know why not.
This is weird. It's there's a default judgment for count 3. I don't know why, but who's representing Mr. Stewart? Who's representing Ms. Day?
I am, your Honor.
So are you asking the court to set aside the default judgment? I don't know why.
Yes, your Honor, I am. I wasn't even aware of a default judgment.
All right. So with that, this matter is set for trial at 9 o'clock. It's now 9:51. The officer has appeared. Are you moving to dismiss these matters?
Yes, your Honor.
These matters are dismissed without prejudice as the officer has failed to appear. You're all set today.
Ms. Day, you're done. Your cases were dismissed.
Okay, thank you.
And Your Honor, we're ready on, I think, the Baja. And is Radney here?
Yes.
Mamie,
Yes.
these are dismissals, Your Honor. Officer, no recollection on Radney. And as Mr. Soroki stated, Miss Officer Kazali, she didn't write these tickets. She said she was separated from DPD at that time. So
Okay,
there may be something with the badge number, she said.
okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, this is the people versus Mamie Radney, ticket number 155489555, count 1, drove a license not valid or proper license. And then ticket number SP 461141, count 1, driver's license never acquired, and count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Going to say names correctly.
Your Honor,
Good morning.
Mhm.
I'm
Tamika
sorry.
Horn on behalf of the city, P70303.
Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name for the record, ma'am.
Mamie Radney.
Your Honor, at this time, we move to dismiss these matters as a police officer has not appeared for trial. I have no recollection.
And I think you're right, Mr. Soroki. I think there's one officer who did not check in on the 2015 case, Eric Carthen. And
He
then,
checked
oh,
in.
okay.
He was in person and I don't know what happened to him.
We have his number.
We have his number.
He was in a hallway.
He was in the hallway.
Okay, okay. Can we pass this matter briefly? I just want to check in with him to see if he remembers anything.
Okay.
I'm not confident though, it's so old. Mr. Petway, can you chat me the telephone number to Officer?
The court clerk has it.
Okay,
This is
okay.
okay, so let's do Mr. Russell versus Bobby Russell.
Miss Radney,
Yes,
we gonna recall your matter. Could you please put your phone on mute and 'cause
okay.
we're still in court.
Versus Bobby Russell Jr. ticket number 14.
Judge, could you repeat it? Because it's a lot of echo and I didn't
Yeah,
get
that's
none.
just Mr. Russell's phone. Ticket number SP 1412451, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, drove on license not valid or proper license. Ticket number SP 1412452. Count 1, failed to stop the stop sign. Count 2, expired plate. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Bobby
No,
Russell.
Anybody can do it.
Ms. Carver, is that your client? 'Cause I didn't speak to him.
There's no PO, so
Oh,
just
no,
say your name.
no. Okay, Alan Soroki, appearing on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name for the record, please.
Bobby Russell.
Yes. Your Honor, at this time, defense moves to dismiss these matters for non-appearance of the police officers at trial.
All right, these matters are set for trial at 9:55. No officers have appeared. These matters are dismissed without prejudice. You are all set. Sir, good luck to you.
Appreciate you.
This is the People versus Albany Robertson. Ticket number SP 1164630, count 1, drive unregistered, title vehicle, count 2, improper plates, 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 2777225, count 1, allowing unlicensed driver to drive, count 2, drive unregistered or title vehicle, count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 1210651, count 1, drove a license not valid or proper license. Count 3. No, I'm sorry, ticket number SP 1210651, count 1, driver registered or title vehicle. Good morning, please say your name.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jane Carver on behalf of Ms. Robertson. Ms. Robertson, can you state your name, please?
Albany Robertson.
Ms. Robertson would like to take advantage of the plea offer for the 3-month delayed sentence on allowing and improper plates.
Okay, and strike the last 2 cases that I called. That's for Kenneth Robertson.
Her phone, because I can call my manager real quick and let her know I'm almost finished.
Miss Davenport,
You can hear, you can hear.
could, you said strike the last 2
Yeah, SP 1210651, that's Kenneth Robertson, and SP 1210653. Strike them. She only has 6 tickets. All right, how did you plan to proceed, Ms. Carter?
Ms. Robertson would like to enter a plea.
And you said plea to 3-month delay sentence on the allowing, and you said something else.
Improper plates.
Thank you.
All right, raise your right hand, Ms. Robertson. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and the truth?
Yes,
Put your hand out. You've had an opportunity to speak to your attorney, Ms. Carver, in private about your case and your rights.
yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
no,
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of January 28, 2022 at 9:37 a.m. On that date and time, were you the owner of a 2007 Chrysler vehicle?
Yes.
Did you allow an unlicensed driver to drive that vehicle?
Yes.
Right, do you not have insurance on that vehicle?
No, I did not.
You're satisfied?
Yes, satisfied.
Court is also satisfied the factual basis to accept the admission. And we will, you stipulate the probable cause as to the remaining cases be dismissed without prejudice.
Yes.
They're dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. For the allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, that is a 3-month delayed sentence. So you're gonna have to pay a fine of $250. You got 3 months to pay it. So you're gonna come back in 3 months, which will be July 13th at 8:35. Make sure you have the fine paid by then. And then no more tickets. If you don't get any more tickets, this will be dismissed off your record. The
Okay.
improper place, I'm gonna waive that fine. So you
Thank
just got the $250 to pay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Did you have any questions?
No, I do not.
You got your next court date?
Yes, July 13th.
All right. So you are
Carlos
all set.
Roberts. Oh, sorry, Your Honor. Carlos Robinson, turn on your video.
All set, ma'am. Good luck to you.
Oh, thank you.
Carlos Robinson, turn on your video. I'll remove you. I'll put you in the waiting room.
All right. We'll do that for this people versus Shalonda Davenport. Ticket number SP 1407817. Count 1, driver's license expired. Count 2, improper plates. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. And that's it. Good morning. Please say your name.
Yes, Alan Soroki, P37441, appear on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, ma'am? You need to unmute, please. Ms. Davenport, you're muted.
Look at the bottom left-hand corner. Your microphone at the bottom left-hand corner.
Ms. Davenport, tap your device and it's a mic at the bottom on the left-hand side. Tap that microphone on the bottom on the left-hand side. Okay, state your
Okay.
name.
Shalonda Davenport.
Yes, Your Honor, defendant wishes to accept the offer of the prosecution in this matter. She'll be pleading to improper plates in lieu of the no insurance misdemeanor, and the other 2 tickets will be dismissed.
Raise your right hand, Ms. Davenport.
Yeah.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to your attorney, Mr. Soroki, in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will? Are you pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
Pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Can you repeat?
I'm sorry, are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
No. Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, do you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to November 15, 2022 at 7:32 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Plymouth and Piedmont, the city of Detroit?
Yes.
You're driving a 2012 Dodge vehicle.
Yes.
Did that vehicle have improper plate?
Yes.
Satisfied, Mr. Soroki?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court is also satisfied the factual basis, you stipulate the probable cause as to counts 1 and 3 to be dismissed without prejudice.
Yes, Your Honor.
Dismissed without prejudice, will proceed to sentencing. There's a $200 fine. Ms. Davenport, can you have that fine paid by May 15th?
Yes.
Any questions, ma'am?
No.
You're all set. Good luck to you.
Thank you.